Hello everyone, here we will talk about the important chapter that is peripheral nervous system. It is not a particular chapter, it is an important topic from the chapter nervous system. So peripheral nervous system in the short form we can say PNS. So what about the peripheral nervous system and how can we define it very briefly? So with the help of a flow chart we will understand about the peripheral nervous system. So there are two types of the peripheral nervous system and also you can say in other language PNS in the short form. So the first one is motor nerves and second one is sensory nerves. So the motor nerves are also two types, somatic and autonomic. But the autonomic are also of the two parts, sympathetic and parasympathetic system. So these all are all about the peripheral nervous system. It means that what we will understand that ki peripheral nervous system are of two parts, motor nerves and sensory nerves, and motor nerves are of two parts, somatic nerves and autonomic nerves, and autonomic nerves are also of two types, sympathetic and parasympathetic. So how can we define it very briefly? So let us discuss in the next image. So the structure of the PNS. PNS is a peripheral nervous system. Then there are 31 pairs of the nerves branching from the spinal cord and spinal nerves, and the 12 pairs that emerge from the brain. So the 12 pairs that emerge from the brain, that is known as the cranial nerves. What we will understand? We will understand that the spinal cord have a 31 pairs of the nerves branching from the spinal cord and 12 pairs of the emerge from the brain, that is known as the cranial nerves. Then 31 pairs of the spinal nerves and 12 pairs of the cranial nerves. What about a 43 nerve pair considered separate from the brain and spinal cord and from the basis of the peripheral nervous system? Structure of the PNS is sensory means afferent and motor is efferent. So what about the sensory afferent? Detected various sensations such as the pain and heat and transmit a message toward the CNS to be interpreted by either the spinal cord or the brain. And what about the motor, that is the efferent, transmit the message away from the CNS and stimulate effector means skin, sense organ, muscles, etc. and to perform a function or a reflex. So how can we define it? In the other word, the structure of the PNS, all about 43 segments of the nerves in the PNS perform a sensory, motor or mixed both function. It means that sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerve. Sensory nerves sense, motor nerves and the mixed nerves can mix the both sensory and the motor nerves. Then what about a reflexor? If you will need to learn about the reflexor, then we will meet in the next video. For this video we will end at here. So thanks for watching. If you want to like it, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.